Okay, what's up guys and Merry Christmas. Because it's Rivals update for Christmas. I know it like came out so long ago, like 1 day ago, and it's literally like 3:04 a.m. Yeah, 3 a.m. 3 a.m. I'm recording this at 3 a.m. Not if we're gonna be awake. But I'll be showing you some cool stuff. First thing has to be this. The mini present. You can get a free charm. Oh, a snipe for the sniper. I use the sniper quite sometimes. And remember, this charm will be limited. It's limited, so get your charm right now. I should see, like, if I go to my collection and I click charms. Remember, it's limited, so this will. So that means So that means you could get this on every single one. And we're also gonna be getting those. And we're gonna be switching some. You can switch servers. And the next cool thing I see is actually like this. You can throw snowballs at them. Look. Oh my gosh, people are just opening skin cases and skin case. No way they got the AK-47. I literally wanted that skin because I was literally gonna buy it on Christmas. You can throw snowballs at them. That's a very cool secret. And another one, exclusive very elite long space. Suddenly tournament every other Saturday. So read that so that you guys will do this thing. And we're gonna be looking around the map to see some cool secrets. Ooh, a campfire. Let's go to the weapons. I think there's gonna be a secret at the weapons. I think there's no secret at the weapons because if there was, then I'd be seeing it. Oh, cool! Keys on the weapons, like on the Christmas tree. This update is new, by the way, so never mind. So many people literally has so many skins. I don't even understand how you get that much skins. Well, I do have almost every single skin in the skin case too. And also, for this update, they also added other stuff. Just like a new wrap. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need to gamble a new wrap again. Just kidding, I already gambled the wrap. And let me tell you, I got my favorite one. It's called the 2025 wrapping. So it's gonna be limited. So I have a limited thing. Let me show you. I have a limited thing on my flashbang. Oh, I'm not joking. This is limited. It's only unboxed for just a bit. So get yours right now. That's why I'm uploading this video so that you guys can get your own stuff before the Christmas update is gone. We're gonna check out my career to see all the new Christmas stuff I got. I swear I got like... Yeah, I did get another wrap. We're gonna see it. I'm pretty sure. I think I know I got a new finisher. I just checked hard enough. Where's the finisher? Oh, this one. Falling icicles. Yep. Now wraps. Another one here is one. This one looks amazing. Let's see our. Oh, sheesh. We have so many wraps that we haven't unlocked yet. The watermelon. Oh my gosh. I wish, guys. You guys think that they should bring the watermelon back? Do you guys think? I mean, it's gonna be really good if they bring it back. I'll be buying it. go inside the daily. Wait, hold up. Hold up. A new wrap? Alright, I'm not buying that. Says he's not gonna buy, but then soon or later he's gonna buy it. That's literally me. I'm literally gonna buy it in just a bit. Ooh, another finisher, guys. We're gonna be taking anything free. If it's free, we're gonna get it. I mean, who wouldn't want to get a free thing? Also, we got the mini present on our, exo gun. I used the exo gun just a bit, so happy with that. And also, get you guys stuff right now, like there's literally everything right here. You see, it's limited. I'm not joking. The jingle bell thing is limited. Whatever you are thinking, it's not gonna be limited in the Christmas events. In the events, obviously, it's gonna be limited. But the developers want us to have limited stuff. And I regret not buying that much stuff from the Halloween event. Oh, I got a mini key. How did I get that? I don't know. Oh, yes, I have the jingle bell. I have the jingle bell charm. This is limited, so yeah, I'm enjoying that. I'm enjoying that I have limited stuff. Also, there's news. These are cool ones. You get random weapons. They also count for your contract. So even though you don't have the weapon, it still counts. So you can literally farm keys by just going inside random mirror and just get contracts that you haven't done. It gives you, remember at the first contract, it gives you keys. You guys, why am I floating like that? Okay. Now, if we go inside our wraps, we're gonna soon see. Did we already see it? Did we pass it already? Or have we not passed it? I'm pretty sure it's on the mythic. Wow, I have so much. Yes, I got some good stuff from events. Oh, the blaze. And it looks like I do not have the charm. So yeah, I do not have that wrap I meant. How come I bought this, but I didn't buy this? But let's gamble one more crate or box, wrap box. One more, guys. One more before we end the video. Give us the festive. Oh, dang it. Now hit that like and subscribe button because that was all for this video. We wish you a Merry Christmas and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I'll throw the snowball at you and hit that like and subscribe button. Peace out. I did not throw it at you.